What's one tool every recipe needs, but often gets ignored until it's too late? Is it your knife? Your pan? Nope, it's your measuring cups and spoons. Tell me in the comments. Have you ever added too much salt or too little sugar just because you were eyeballing it? Well, not anymore. Smiling face with sunglasses, in today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best measuring cups and spoon sets that combine precision, style, and durability. From sleek stainless steel sets by OXO to luxurious gold-accented utensils, and even a quirky Star Wars R2-D2 set. There's something here for every kitchen personality. If you love cooking, baking, or simply want your kitchen to feel more organized and fun, this video is a must-watch. Stick around till the end to see which set stands out as the ultimate kitchen essential. Let's measure up and get started. Introducing this stunning 19-piece kitchen utensil set, designed to bring both functionality and luxury to your cooking space. With a modern gold finish, this set instantly adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. It includes a variety of essential tools for everyday cooking, featuring durable stainless steel utensils and soft, heat-resistant white silicone tools. Perfect for use with non-stick cookware. Whether you're flipping, stirring, serving, or mixing, this set has the right tool for every task. It also comes with measuring cups and spoons, ensuring precision in all your recipes. Stylish yet practical, this collection is ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen setup. Beautifully packaged, it also makes a perfect gift for housewarmings, weddings, or anyone who enjoys cooking with a flair of sophistication. From daily meal prep to elegant serving, this 19-piece set offers both performance and premium design. Upgrade your kitchen game with 2 must-have tools from the trusted brand OXO, designed to make your cooking and baking more accurate and hassle-free. First up is the OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale. Perfect for precise ingredient measurements. Its durable stainless steel surface is not only sleek, but also easy to clean. And it features a smart pull-out display, so you can clearly read measurements even when using large mixing bowls that might otherwise block your view. Alongside it is the OXO Good Grips 8-piece stainless steel measuring cups and spoon set, which includes all the essential sizes you need for measuring both dry and liquid ingredients. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built for long-term use, and the Good Grips handles offer a comfortable, non-slip grip for ease and control while you work. Whether you're a passionate home cook or just starting out, this powerful combo brings accuracy, durability, and professional quality to every recipe. If you're looking for practical kitchen tools that make cooking and cleaning easier, check out these 2 essentials from the trusted brand OXO, known for its ergonomic and user-friendly designs. First, the OXO Good Grips aluminum dish rack is a perfect solution for drying your dishes, glasses, and utensils after washing. Made from durable aluminum, it's designed to be both lightweight and sturdy, and the Good Grips feature ensures that it's comfortable and easy to use, even when handling larger items. The second must-have is the OXO Good Grips stainless steel measuring cup and spoon set, which includes 8 pieces, offering a range of sizes for accurate measurements in your cooking and baking. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last and provide precise measurements every time. Both items are designed to streamline your kitchen tasks, combining efficiency, durability, and comfort for a smoother cooking experience. Introducing this 35-piece kitchen utensils set, a comprehensive collection of essential cooking tools designed to elevate your kitchen experience. This set includes a variety of tools, such as a grater, tongs, spoons, spatula, and turner, providing everything you need for meal preparation. Each utensil is made from heat-resistant silicone, which is not only safe for food but also perfect for use with non-stick cookware, ensuring you won't scratch or damage your pots and pans. The wooden handles add a touch of elegance, while also making each tool comfortable and easy to grip during use. Whether you're flipping, stirring, or grating, this set is designed to make your cooking experience more efficient and enjoyable, offering durability, versatility, and practicality for anyone who loves to cook. If you're a Star Wars fan who also loves to cook or bake, then this unique kitchen gadget is going to blow your mind. Introducing the ThinkGeek Star Wars R2-D2 Measuring Cup Set, a clever and fun twist on a kitchen essential. At first glance, it looks like a collectible model of R2-D2, but it's actually a fully functional measuring set cleverly disguised as the iconic droid. The body of R2-D2 separates into 4 measuring cups, giving you precise measurements for baking or cooking, while the detachable arms turn into nesting measuring spoons, offering all the key sizes you need. It's made from durable, food-safe plastic and designed with attention to detail, making it both a conversation starter and a practical tool for your kitchen. Whether you're baking cookies or just want something fun and functional on your countertop, this R2-D2 measuring set combines geeky charm with real kitchen utility, making it a perfect gift for any Star Wars enthusiast. And there you have it, the top 5 best measuring cups and spoon sets that blend style, functionality, and precision in the kitchen. Whether you're upgrading to a sleek OXO stainless steel set, adding a touch of luxury with the gold-accented utensils, or getting creative with the Star Wars R2-D2 measuring cups, there's something for every kitchen personality. So which one caught your eye? Do you prefer classic, elegant design, or are you more of a fun and quirky gadget lover? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget, measuring tools are essential for creating flawless recipes every time. If you want to step up your kitchen game and cook with confidence, one of these sets could be your new best friend. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another kitchen upgrade. Until next time, let's keep cooking with precision.